Most of us expect to just simply turn on a tap and receive fresh, clean water. But did you ever wonder how fresh, clean water can be found in a remote village in Borneo? Here we are in Kampung Loro. This is our home for the next few days. It's actually our second visit with a local international school. Our objective: to install a clean, fresh water supply for village use. Mr. Saini, good morning.
Good morning, boss.
Boss. Oi, tell us what you're doing.
So we're gonna drilling a ground to find some water underground. So the method that we use is using high water pressure.
So you take the water pressure from the pump that we did last year, right?
Sure, yeah.
And we're going to install a new pump, a second pump, and you're going to use that water pressure to force through this hose and push down into the ground to find a new fresh water supply.
Sure, exactly.
How do you know there is water there?
Well,
Don't tell me village magic. How do you know there's water there, Saini?
okay, look at the structure from the hills as well. So as you can see at the surface of the earth, there is a river. So there is the same underground as well.
Okay, so we've got an underground river.
Sure.
And you happen to know it's there.
Well, this is
so if you put this in and you miss the water, it's kind of like failing an exam, right?
Right.
Well, we'll see. All right, we're watching this space. Good stuff. Wow, look at this. You're doing a great job. In preparation for the installation, we prepare a sturdy shelter to protect the pump, and also the villagers are drilling the holes and installing a fine mesh around the pipe that must be sent into the ground. This acts as a filter system and must be very carefully tied in place, something they've learned over many years of experience. Oh, puppies. Oh, my puppies. My God, could you be smaller? See?
Just like that.
Back to work. No stoppages because of puppies. The site is carefully selected by the villagers. They know where they would like the pipe installed and the pump located. We used the previous year's pump and water supply to feed a jet of water to the drilling device. So stand back a bit, guys. We involve the international school children as much as possible in the installation process as part of their field trip. This is excellent experience and cultural exchange knowledge that they will take into their futures, and I'm sure remember for a long time. Ingenious stuff. So these are village skills passed on down the line to the generations. They should never be lost. Basic, straightforward, how you get water. So now we're getting stones, see these fine stones, sand, so we're past the mud already. Down there, believe it or not, is clean water.
Okay, you're gonna pull it very fast, okay?
Okay, this is the moment.
Really close to him.
Gonna pull out the pipe and install the main Hey, minor mishap. Run out of juice. Keep it going, guys. Okay, increase the revs. Keep that pressure going. Here we go. In. Go, Shiny. Oh, a retry. So much sand in there where we lost the pressure. Keep up that pipe, guys. We need to stop the pipe bending in the tube. Go again. Go on, boys. Not enough.
Bos, tuloy po mo kung sibak.
Sliding up.
Bos, kung kabit ako, bos.
Yes. After a number of attempts, we're finally successful in pushing the pipe down through the hole created by the jet of water. Once in place, we're able to connect the pipework and test for fresh water through the pump. Some ingenious local knowledge to connect up the pipework and make everything fit in place. A cement base will be built later for the pump to sit on. For now, we make do with a tyre. We need to test the pump and test the clean water is reached by the pipe. It's the moment of truth. Success. Clean fresh water is reached. This will provide an endless flow of water that will be pumped down via the large pipe all the way down to the centre of the village, where it will be stored in large reservoir tanks for all the village to use. We involved the children in the mixing of the cement, ready to prepare the foundation for the pump to sit on.
Okay, we're learning on the job. Go. They're right.
So does that mean this is successful?
This program is facilitated by Downbelow Marine and Wildlife Adventures, ensuring that the children's stay is successful and the villagers benefit from this community project.
Yeah.